Hello and welcome to the channel Software Guy. Today I'm going to show you a hint that how to increase views for your YouTube channel videos. At the starting, it is very difficult to get more views for your videos, but now don't be worried because I'm going to show you how to get views for free. There is an app called Video Promoter in the Play Store. In the description I have mentioned the link also. So what you're going to need to do is you have to install it from your mobile phone and then open the app. Okay, now you can see here it shows the icons. So when you download the app from my given link, enter the refer code that also given in the description as well. You will receive 300 of coins when you log into this app. You can create an account using email address and then you are good to go. So here you can see videos and also there's a countdown in the left side. So what you have to do is to earn the coins, you have to view these videos. When you view this video, the next video will be automatically played and you will receive the coins. When you hit the certain coins, you can promote your video also. For that, click promote and here click the plus button. So all you have to do is copy your video link from your channel and paste it here. According to the views and the link, the amount of the coins will be increased. After setting up, you can click the promote video. And after 3 days, you can see your videos view count is increased. So guys, hope this is really helpful for you all, and if you have any doubt, comment it. I will help you. Thanks for watching. Also don't forget to click the subscribe button. See you on the next video.